Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to make choices searchable. So if you see the incident form, we have a category field and this category field contains choices. Okay, right now the choices are limited, but just assume if the choices are around 100 or 200. So the user has to go through all the choices to find the correct choice. And that will be a bad user experience, okay, because the user has to manually search for the correct choice. What is the functionality we are going to develop is this. So if we see on the portal, this is the service portal, and if we scroll down, we have the department field. Now if we click here, we see a search box appears here, and if we type something like development, okay, then the development choice automatically comes and the user select the development choice. This is a very beneficial development for the end user or the user who are going to use the form, because the user does not have to go through all the 100 of the choices or 200 choices. The user easily write the choice and the choices will come up automatically and select it. So this is the functionality that we are going to develop for the native view. In the service portal, this functionality is by default enabled. So how we can develop this functionality? It is very simple. Just one line of code you have to do. What you have to do is that right click on the label of the field where you have to enable this functionality. In our case, it is category. So we are going to right click here on the label of it and go to configure dictionary. Now the form for configure dictionary is opened and we have to select the advanced view. Right now we are seeing the default view. So here in the related links, we can see the advanced view. Click on this. And you're going to see a field that is called attributes. Okay. This is the field that you have to update. So we are going to update this field with the attribute name is underscore searchable underscore choice and set it to true. Okay, and update it. That's it. That's all you have to do it for the functionality to be enabled. So if we see the category field again, and if we click here, we can see that we have a searchable text box. And if we type like we are not seeing the choices like database. So if we type here database, you can see the choice automatically comes up and we can select it. Okay, so this development is very beneficial. Okay, and that's how we can make the choices searchable. So if you like this video, do share the videos with others. Subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.